Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, so we're just gonna go through a couple of pairs, not a lot. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys that the pips you could have made potentially today if you had the software. Okay, so let's start on the 30-minute. Okay, all right. So let's get all our markers here. Okay, so let's go to the 5-minute. Remember, you always work 3 time frames down. Okay, so this is your direction time frame. Okay, so whether the market is going bullish or bearish. Okay, this is your direction time frame. All right, so then what we do, we go down to the 5-minute. Okay, so this is our entry time frame. All right, so let's just see here. Let's just do this quickly. So that is the line on the 30-minute. Let me just confirm. Yes, it's white there. Got a white dot there. Let's go to the 5-minute. Yes, that's indeed the line. Okay, so we're waiting for 3 confirmations. 1, 2, and number 3 at the bottom. Okay, we're not entering if this line is not blue and above the 50. Okay, that's where the market's potentially going bullish. Okay, so we would have entered where around about this candle here. Okay, so we would have entered on this candle, this one here, this one. Okay, so we would have entered there. Our stop loss would have been 264 pips. We go for a 1:1. Okay, don't expect a home run on the 5-minute, guys. Okay, if you want to hit home runs, go to the 1 hour, the 4 hour, or the daily. Okay, this is a scalping time frame, so you're in and out of the market. 1:1, that is good enough. Okay, so you take your 1:1, you close your trade, you move on. Okay, so like I said, 264 pips. Let's just see if we have reached our 264 pips. 264, yes, without a doubt. 266, we would have reached 264 pips easily. The market actually went up to 276 pips. Okay, so that would have been a 1 of 264 pips. Let me just put it down here so you guys can see. Okay, 264 pips. All right. Okay, so that's number 1. So now we're moving to this block here. Okay, let me just close that one off. Okay, so we're highlighting this one here now. Let's go to the 30-minute. Yes, indeed, it's on the arrow. Okay, the repainting arrow. Yes. We know to work with the repainting arrow, guys. There's a reason why the arrow repaints. Okay, so don't get alarmed when you hear repainting arrow. If you know what you're doing, okay, and you know how to use the arrow, you will be profitable. Okay, and I've got a video on my channel showing you how to use this software. Okay, so that is the next one. So let's go to our 5-minute chart. Yes, that's the dot there, and the dot there, that's indeed right. Okay, keep it highlighted. So remember, we're not getting in here, we're not getting in on this confirmations. We need 1, 2, and we need our 3rd confirmation at the bottom. Okay, so we would have entered this trade on this candle, say that candle there. Okay, so we would have entered that trade there. Okay, stop loss would have been 3, what is that? Sorry, that would have been 320 pips. Let's just see if we reach our 320 pips. Yes, indeed, 320 is around about there. Okay, and you would have definitely hit your pips. Okay, so that is 320 pips. Let me just move that there. Okay, sorry, 320 pips there. Okay, so that is now 2 trades, 1 in a row. Okay, and that's on the NASDAQ US Tech. Okay, so let's go to this one here. Okay, let's close this one. So we got the dot there and we got the dot there. So let's move to the 30-minute. Yes, indeed, it's on the arrow. Yes, dot there, dot there. Let's move to the 5-minute. And there you can see we're not entering here, guys. We're not entering here. Even if that arrow was there, that's fine. There's a reason why this arrow repaints. Okay, even if that arrow's there, we don't have all our 3 confirmations, 1, 2 and 3. So we wait. Don't be in a hurry, guys. Don't be in a rush. Patience pays. Okay, patience pays in Forex. I've learned that a long time ago. Okay, if you're impatient, you're gonna burn your fingers. Alright, so we're gonna go in, say, on that candle there. Okay, so our stop loss would have been around about 319 pips. Okay, let's just see if it hit the 319 pips. Yes indeed, it did. 319 pips is around about there. Okay, and it actually went up to 424 pips. So this is 319 pips. I'm just showing you guys live. As you can see, I'm showing you what you could have achieved today if you had the software. Okay, and as you guys can see, yes, today is the 8th of July 2022, as you guys can see at the bottom. Okay, so that trade is won. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so let's just see here. We highlight that one, we just confirm it on 30 minutes. So yeah, that's the line. Yeah, we got the white dot there, we got a white dot there. It's on the arrow. Go down to the 5 minute. Where were we here? Okay, so yeah, so we're not entering here. We are entering when we have a 1, 2, 3 confirmations. Okay, so in other words, we would have entered this trade around about, let me just see here, on this candle here. This candle, we would have entered there. Our stop loss would have been, say, 344 pips. 344. Let's see if you had to hold on. 344. Oh yes, see how the market dropped, and it never came back to the high. Okay, it never came back to this high here. Okay, it never came back to this high here, as you guys can see here. As you guys can see, it never came back. It dropped straight down. So what did I say? Say 347 pips. 347. Oh well, 347 is there. 347. Say around about in this region. You guys get the picture. It actually dropped. Sure, 1,391 pips it dropped. Okay, so what did I say? 347. Okay, so that's another winning trade. 347 pips. Sorry, 347. So that is another 347 pips. 1:1 is over enough, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next trade. So let's just highlight this one. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Sorry. Okay, we got the arrow, we got the white dot, there on top. We move to the 5 minute, and like I said, you don't enter here. This line is red, guys. The analyzer is red. Why do you want to enter? Okay, even if this arrow was there, even if this arrow was here, you wait for all 3 confirmations. You know, in your mind, you know the higher time frame is telling you to go bullish and not bearish. So why do you want to go sell? Okay, in a bullish market. All right, so like I said, you sit on your hands, you be patient. So you got 1, 2 and your 3rd confirmation there. Okay, so you would have gotten, so you got in on that candle there. Okay, like I said, your stop goes at the tail of the big arrow. Okay, that is 1,011 pips. Okay, so if your account can stomach that amount of pips, okay, go for it. Okay, if you feel it's too high, the stop loss is too high, move on and wait for another trade. Okay, so that's 1,011 pips. Okay, so let's just see if we would have made that trade easily easily it went up 1615 pips. Okay, so 1011 pips is around about there. That's 1011 pips, you're out of the trade. Okay, so let's just do this here. Okay, so that is 1011 pips. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so that is that. Okay, all right, so let's move. Okay, so that is the let me just see. Oh, this isn't the last one here. Okay, so let's just highlight this one. Let's see if we would have made pips on that one. Let's go to the 30-minute. Yes, indeed, we got our arrow marked, and we got the white dot there, we got the white dot there, and we move to the 5-minute. And like I said, we're not entering, we're expecting a bearish market, because the higher time frame is telling us to go bearish and not bullish, so we're not entering here. You sit on your hands, you wait. Okay. Sorry. So we got our first confirmation, second confirmation, and we got our third confirmation. Okay, so so we would have gotten into this trade around about here on this candle. Okay, on the close of that candle, we would have gotten in. So stop loss would have been 808 pips. Would we have made 808 pips? Yes, easily. Okay, the market actually went down 948 pips. So 808 pips is around about there. Okay, so that is another trade one. So that's another 808 pips. Okay, 808 pips. That's why you guys can see I'm so confident in the software. Okay, because I know how the software operates. I've backtested the software. I know what's a win ratio percentage of the software. So let's add our pips up. Okay, so for the NASDAQ, we got 264 plus 320 plus 319 plus 347 plus 1011 plus and 808 plus. So that's a total of 369 pips just for today. Just for today. Okay, what did I say? 369 pips. Okay, so sorry, 3069 pips. My apologies. So 3069 pips. Okay. Okay, 3069 pips. One. Okay, no losses, guys. No losses. I mean, I showed you guys how we just back tested this NASDAQ now. Okay, so that is live. All right. So that is live actually. Let me just make this a little bigger here. Okay. Okay, so there you guys can see if we add all that up, that is a potential pips you missed out today on the NASDAQ. Okay, so guys, I don't want to keep this video too long. I think I'm going to end it here. It's already 13 minutes, almost 14 minutes into the video. I don't want to drag it out long. Maybe I must just do one more, any random pair. Let's just go to the, let's go to the AUDCAD. Okay, let's go to the AUDCAD. Let's put up our software quickly here. That one there. Okay, so let's just do today quickly. Okay, let's just do this quickly here. So it doesn't look like a lot of trades here today. Just do this here on the 30 minutes. Okay, just delete that line, and then we just put in this line here. Okay, so let's just see what happened here. Okay, so you got, come on man, why this thing? Okay, there we go. So we got 1, 2, and 3 setups for the day, for today only on the AUDCAD. That's all we had. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're not forcing any trades. If it's not there, we move on. You got all the pairs that you can trade here. Okay, and the B's work on any of those pairs, guys. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's start with this one here. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let me just take that away there. Where are we now? Let me just see. Okay, that's a 30 minute. Sorry, this line is supposed to be blue and not red. Sorry, my apologies. It's supposed to be red, sorry, and not blue. Let me just do that. Okay. So let's move to the 5 minutes, sorry, and then let's just see here. Okay, so let's just make sure that this is our line, and then let me see. Yeah, okay, you got a white dot there, you got a white dot there, you got the arrow there, and let's go. Okay, so remember, we're not entering, we need our 1, 2, 3 confirmations. Okay, so we would have entered into this trade around about here on the close of this candle. Okay, stop loss would have been 12 pips, and easily you would have made your 12 pips. Little bit of time, 12 pips would have been easily done there. Okay, so this is 12 pips 1 year. Okay, that is 12 pips. Okay, we can't expect home runs on the, like I said, on the lower time frames, guys. Okay, so that is 12 pips. Let's move to the next one. Alrighty, so let's just confirm if this is our line on the 30 minute. So yep, white dot there, white dot there, arrow there, and then yes, so we sit on our hands here. We're not getting in. The market is bullish on a higher time frame, so we're looking for bullish entries, bullish signals. Okay, so let's just see here. We would have gotten into this candle, to this trade around about here. Our stop loss would have been around about 22 pips. Let's just see if we hit 22 pips. Yes, without a doubt, 22 pips is there. Okay, and it actually went up to 30 pips. Simple. Okay, so let me just put here 22 pips. 22, sorry, no man, come on, 22 pips. Okay, so that's 22 pips there. Alright, let's move to the next to the next trade. Okay, let's highlight this one and just lock this one here. Okay, so let's highlight this one. Let me just confirm. Yes, we got the arrow, we got the white there, we got the white there. Go to the 5 minutes, sorry. Okay, so here we sit on our hands. This market is still very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Okay, very, very bullish. So like I said, 1, 2, third confirmation. Okay, so we would have gotten into this trade around about here on the close of that candle. Stop loss 17 pips, and you would have made your 17 pips easily. The market actually dropped about 20 pips easily. Okay, so what did I say? 17 pips there. Okay, 17 pips, yeah. So that's another win of 17 pips, guys. There we go. Okay, that is 17 pips. Right, as you guys see, okay, as you guys can see, okay, the market never came back to this low. Never. Here you can see, never came back to the low. Like I said, you would have entered in this region here, went up, you would have made your 1:1. Even here, 17 pips. Market never came back to that high. It dropped straight away. And same here. The market never came, if you have taken your trade here, got in there, or here on this candle, like I said, the market never came up to that high, guys. Sorry. So yeah, so that's another successful trading day. So how many pips did we do here? So we got 12 here, and we got 22 here, and we got 17 there. Okay, so that is a total of 51 pips in the blue. In the blue, 51 pips, guys. So 51 pips. Okay, so yeah, that's 50. We'll just make this blue. But any case, you guys get the picture. So that is 51 pips. It's all about patience, guys, and discipline and money management and following a strategy. Okay, you need to follow a strategy that works, that is proven to work. Okay, I mean, even if you look at the NAS, okay, all our trades we took, okay, that one, the market never came back to it went up straight away, never came back to this where we go, to this low here. Okay, never came back to the low. Same here. Okay, it went up, you took your trade, it never came back to that high. Okay, same here, came down, you entered, went up straight away, never came back to this low. Okay, same here. Okay, never came back to that high, never came back, drop, never came back to the high. Okay, market is still going. Okay, so yeah, I think that is it from me. Okay, I just showed you guys now any random pair. I didn't cherry pick any pair. Okay, so and that's a potential pips you could have made today, guys. That's a potential pips. So any case, have a good weekend, prepare yourself for the trading week coming up, and I shall chat to you guys in the next video. This is Mr. M standing by. I'll chat to you guys soon. Ciao for now.